Hi, dear students. It's nice to see you today. Do you know why? Because today we have new episode, new lesson. I think our lessons is interesting lessons. Do you think that? I think, yeah. Let's concentrate and see each part in our lessons. Tell me if you understand this lesson or no. I wait you. Are you ready? Yes. The lesson today about cell division. I think it's very important to know this word, what is meant by cell division. Depend on what? Reproduction, depend on growth, or relationship between both of them. That we'll learn today. To know cell division, you must know the cell. What is meant by this word, the cell? The building unit of the living organisms. You must know all living organisms beginning with what? Beginning with a cell. You must know there are many kinds of the cell in the multicellular organisms body. How that? I say a lot of cells can be found in different living organisms, especially multicellular. Multicellular as what? As a human. My dear, when I look at this, what this word cell division? What's it mean? I say I have somatic cell. Cell division can be occurred in somatic cell. Also can be occurred in reproductive cells. So cell division can be for two important types of the cell, somatic and reproductive. My lover, what is meant by somatic cell? Somatic cell here, it means way of division. Yes, it means mitosis. Mitosis happen where? Happen inside somatic cell or body cell by the same name, somatic cell. What is the mitosis? I say for this purpose of division, I say mitosis be occurred to help in growth. Only? No. Compensate the damaged cells. You have a cut in your skin. Can be compensated by what? By division inside somatic cell. Also, I can say reproductive cell, the other type. This is especially for sperm, yeah, ovum, yeah. So we can say reproductive cells, it means way of division in which found in good process meiosis. So meiosis for reproductive cell, mitosis for somatic cells. After that, you can catch this. What are the purposes of division? Why we need this meiosis? We say meiosis is very important for human. Why? Because help in formation of male and female gametes. Take care from this word. Gametes, it means sperm and ovum. So, transferring of genetic traits from the parents to offsprings. Offspring here, it means embryo. It means the baby before born. So, this is called good genetic traits can be formed by gametes to form new offspring. After that, I have important note to you. You must know nucleus is the part that's responsible for cell division. Nucleus, yes. Why we say nucleus is important? Nucleus here has important thing. What this? Chromosomes. Let's go and complete our explanation. I say, because it consists of genetic material where the living organisms which contains chromosomes. Take care from this word, chromosomes. Chromosomes that have main role in cell division. When I ask you, what is the main rule in cell division? Tell me, chromosomes. Where we find the chromosomes? Inside the nucleus. What about to explain general structure of chromosomes? Yes, Easy to know that. Two connected threads. Each one is called chromatids. Good, chromatid. Yeah, this chromatid, we have two chromatids, you know, are connected together from a point. This point is called centromere. You have here chromatid. You say, can be divided. DNA. Yes. Also, we have protein. What else? We have important thing. Go and back. All of this connected by centromere. We have here different animals, old, ancient, and new one. All of them connected by chromosomes, beginning with chromosomes, contain DNA. DNA here to read what this has genes. Gene is the location of the reading characteristics of these living organisms. For example, I have here human. This human has a protein. We know that. This protein found where? Found inside living cell. Living cell collected to be tissue. This tissue collected to be organs. All of them give me complete body. This for human? No, for different living organisms. Suddenly, there is problem happen inside DNA. Make mutation or a changing for the shape of these cells. Back to the structure. You note something. Two chromosomes has a different line, different position. These positions are genes. The genes read, number one, can read the color of the eye, can read the length, can read any character in the human body. All of them found where? Inside important structure, it means nucleus. Arrangement of these chromosomes inside the nucleus give me the order and the shape of these living organisms. My dear, human chromosomes, as you see, arrive to about 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs. This huge number are arranged as a groups, as you see. Each group indicate part in your body. Some indicate the shape of the cell. The other indicate your color. The other, the color of the eye or the color of the hairs. What this? Main chromosomes. The function of the liver has a chromosomes. The function of your body, your hand, your leg, it means by pairs of chromosomes. From this figure, you deduce that chromosomes are found all time, two pairs with different genes to give suitable order to give your body its function. Now, without chromosome, you can live. Without chromosome, you can make your vital process. I think it's difficult to do that. We talked about DNA. DNA where? Inside chromosome. Chromosome is what? Two chromatids connected together by important point is called centromere. Found where? All time. Found inside the nucleus. This is important to know that. Let's see and complete. Chemically, we can catch that the chromosome consists of nucleic acid. This word, it means DNA, deoxynucleic acid. This is the meaning of DNA. Also has protein. Now, chemically chromosomes, good, DNA and protein. DNA carry the genetic traits of all living organisms. Important to you? Yes, it's a character, main character for any human. You can catch also the number of chromosomes. Differ from animal, human, from one to another. It means different species of living organisms. You must know it's fixed in the same member. All human, all time. Found 46. Not in human. No, normal human. normal human has what? Same number, fixed number of chromosomes. Species, good, different from one species to another. We can say, for example, dogs, different number of chromosomes. Cats, the other number of chromosomes. Vegetables, the third number of chromosomes. It changes from a species to another. What about to know that? Number of chromosome, fixed number in human, 46 chromosomes. Number 2, rabbit. Rabbit has a chromosomes. Rabbits have about 44 chromosomes or 22 pairs. Also, mosquito, you know it? Yeah, has a 6 chromosomes only because it's a very, very small. This all? No, we have also onion. Onion, yeah, it's a plant. Plant has a chromosomes. It's about what? 16 chromosomes. Fixed number for weather. My lover, not something. A human, for example, the somatic cell as skin, stomach, blood, liver, all of them is called good somatic cells. Differ, yeah, 46 chromosome, while the gametes contain 23 chromosomes only, ovum and sperm. Catch this now. Reproductive cell. Reproductive cell, it means reproduction. It means sperm and ovum. What about this? Somatic cell contain 2 sets of chromosomes. One is called inherited chromosomes. Inherited. This inherited from good, from somatic cell. We say diploid. Diploid number, it means 2n. All time. Complete number of chromosomes, diploid, it means 2n, somatic cell. But gametes, haploid, it means half number of chromosomes. It means just n. 2n, somatic cell, diploid. 1n, it means gametes, haploid. Important to catch it. DNA, hereditary materials, has 2 lines, transmit genetic information between them. Double standard helix. You see? Good. It's a stair. Both standards join with H bonding. Backbone, for example, it's a shape as backbone. Sugar and phosphate. This is the structure of this. This sugar and phosphate is presence 5 carbon, 5C, and 1 oxygen. This is removed from this structure. All of them has fixed character for human. It's called diribosome. Good. Now, adenine make double bond, thymine is called the thymine. Cytosine make triple bond, guanine. You know, different name depend on the bond. The bond they give the stability of DNA. It stay as it is or change. Structure unit, all of this nucleotide. Look at this. 2 sections, adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. But the main structure, phosphate. Good, it's a phosphate and sugar, deoxyribose. This is important structure and important shape. Ribose has this shape, it means pentagonal, as you see, but phosphate, the straight one, just sphere or nucleus. By motion of all of this properties, all of this protein give you the main and fixed one. Adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine, connected by good diagonal sugar or ribose or phosphate group. When it matches together, give a shape. The fixed shape, as you see, give bond. This bond move as a straightening structure. It means different cells. Histone curve, we say we have 8 proteins molecule. Histone 8 proteins match together. This matching give you main character in your body. For example, give you your liver, motion of your leg, your hand, your fingers differ according to the main important or main function in your body organ called coil. Coil structure is not fixed, not straight now. It means protein skeleton, the form of coil. Chromosome here close to it. You see chromosomes, different pairs, well matching together inside important structure is called nucleus. Now, tell me, you have a character? Yes, from this cell. What about to see types of cell division? We have mitosis. You see indirect cell division, mitosis. The other one is called meiosis. It means reproduction or reduction, division. Now, mitosis and meiosis. Do you think, what's it mean? I say, the first one, mitosis or mitotic, has a different names. Mitosis, mitotic, the same name. It means occur where? In somatic cell. Mitotic or mitosis inside somatic cell. It means inside the body cell. All body cells can be occurred by mitotic except reproductive cell. Impossible to find a reproductive cell by mitosis. It's impossible to stay in growth. No, neural cells. Neural cells, yes, also cannot be by mitosis. All your body mitosis except this reproductive and neural cell. My dear student, what is the importance for it? Can be grow? Yes, help in growth. Also, compensation the damage of the cells. Good. What you mean? I say before cell division, the cell passes through a phase. This phase is called interphase, the beginning of good division. What's it mean? My dear, interphase, what's it mean? I tell you. I say during interphase, the cell prepare itself for division through main important biological process. Biological process, what it do? I'll tell you. The amount of genetic materials increase, will be duplicated, will be double. If you have a 2, will be 4. If you have a 4, will be 8. It means duplicating of what? Genetic material. After that, cell division, as you see, start in 4 steps or 4 stages. I tell you the name of each one. What is the name of these phases? General process for mitosis. We have 2 cells. The first one has a nucleus, the second the same. 2 persons, different cells. I say mitosis need 2 cells, contain nucleus. Each one start to prepare itself for division. This preparation, it means duplicating the number of chromosomes. You see, the cells start divided more and more and more. 2 chromosomes, it changed to 8. You see, human, animals, different type of animals by the same. This is nucleus has chromosomes, as you see, connected by centromere. 2, I have just 2, will be divided into what? 2 different chromatid. After that, interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, all of these phases impact It means what? It means the main component of mitotic. My dear, interface. 2 chromosomes will be 4. And after that, H2 similar homologous are closed to each other, connected together. After that, we arrive to prophase. Prophase. 2 centromere, 2 part of nucleus will be divided. Has a lot of fibers. These fibers connect each chromatid. Now, 2 small nuclei by chromatid. Shrink these fibers and the separation between chromatid. Now, we arrive to telophase. Telophase, it means division of one cell into 2 cells. One nucleus into 2 nuclei. After that, arrive to last one. It means cytokinase. You see, it means become smaller. It means one cell divided into 2. What this mean? Now you have 2 cells. One cell only give me 2 cells. 23 pairs of chromosomes for each one. Contain what? Same number of chromosomes. We arrive to the end of the lesson. Do you think it's easy for you? I hope that. Concentrate all time. Answer a lot of questions to catch full mark. You promise me? Yes, my dear students. See you soon. Thank you and goodbye.